After installation Kafka on our Linux VM lab, you may face issues where the Kafka service failed to start. As shown in the video, the status Kafka service is failed, and the active state is displayed as failed. You may also notice the following warning messages. Kafka.service failed with result exit dash code. This indicates something is wrong with the Kafka configuration or metadata. To identify and fix the issue, we first need to inspect the Kafka log and service stats. If this is a fresh lab environment and you don't have any important data or existing topics, the issue can often be resolved by removing the Meta.properties file. Easily use the sudo rm home kafka logs meta.properties. After removing the file, check the service stats again. Sudo systemctl status Kafka service. Also, we can check zookeeper actually. Sudo systemctl status zookeeper dot service. If everything is correct, both services should now be running without errors. However, if the log directory contains important data or existing Kafka topics, deleting meta.properties is not recommended as it may cause data or topics inaccessibility. You should instead fix the cluster ID mismatch. Open the Kafka configuration file by nano home Kafka configure server.properties everywhere that you install Kafka. Then copy the correct cluster ID value from the log directory and set it in the configuration file. For example, cluster ID equals some string that you already have, not a previous one.